Caution: acupressure should not be used by women during pregnancy or their menstrual period. Hello and welcome to all my lovely viewers. Hope you're all keeping well and safe. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified when a new video is uploaded. In this video, I'll show which acupoint can be used at home to treat neck and shoulder tension using acupressure to improve chi, energy, and blood flow in this area. If you find this video helpful, please share it with family and friends who can benefit from this information. According to TCM, traditional Chinese medicine, acupoints are energy points on the body where either manual pressure is applied during acupressure or acupuncture needles are inserted to treat diseases and provide relaxation. Continue watching the video until the end to learn the entire treatment in detail. Do not substitute this treatment in place of any medication or therapy recommended by your healthcare professional. Results from this treatment may vary from person to person. Once you start seeing results, consult your healthcare professional before reducing or discontinuing any prescribed medication or therapy. When a loose fist is made, the acupoint is located on the inner side of the hand, at the end of the first horizontal crease on the palm, and where the red and white skin meet. For quick relief, use your thumb to press and release the mentioned acupoint 50 times continuously. Repeat this treatment 5 times daily. Continue using this treatment regularly until you get the desired results. Thank you for watching and all the best with this treatment.